Hi, I'm Red, your Roger Power Garage. Today we're back on the new EG build, 800 horsepower all-wheel drive. This time around on this car, I got to pick most of the parts, and I really liked what FCS did for the all-wheel drive conversion kits. It was pretty easy for them because they're already making tubular arms for drag race cars. Real lightweight, and they're proven, and they worked really well. So all they had to do was just redesign it to incorporate a bearing, made a backing plate, and then they also have a bolt-on upper bracket. The one from the other company, you had to cut, trim, weld, fabricate. This one is bolt-on. It comes with thread certs. You basically just drill a hole, put this in. It's like a rivet, and then there you go. You're good. It also comes with Wilwood calipers, 2-piston. These are very nice. I was thinking about doing something on my car with these, but yeah, shouldn't be too difficult of an install. I really like how everything fits, how it looks. So we're gonna tear this car apart and bolt it on, but unfortunately the gas tank has to come out first, so that's not gonna be fun. We're gonna work on it outside so we have a lot of extra room, and let's get it going. Nasty. This thing is done, and it's full of gas. Okay, so got the fuel tank out. Now time to drop this what do you call this, trailing arm? Yeah, man, all these are 14. Maybe I could use my small impact. So these aren't too bad. Sometimes these bolts are like super duper rusty. There we go. Fortunately, we're gonna have to leave this on for now. We ordered up the coilovers, haven't shown up yet, so I'm just gonna throw those in later on. Go nice and easy. Remember, Nelson, when we were driving this thing, it had no brakes?
Yeah.
I don't think there's going to be very much brake fluid in this line, so I'm not too worried about it.
The e-brake was life support.
Yeah. We're going to have to pop those cables in a minute. Yeah, we're going to have to figure something out with the e-brake. Thinking maybe like a hydraulic e-brake or something, so that we can still park this car and not have to worry about it, because those Wilwood calipers, they don't have an integrated mechanical e-brake. Go. So put this right here. Put something under here so it's not dripping all over my hand. There we go. Okay, and these should be 17s. I got a straight socket, it'll be a little bit easier. You know Let me do the toe length first here. Watch out, Nelson. Okay, there it is. Down to 14. And this car's actually pretty clean. Sometimes these bolts are like super duper rusty. They're actually coming out pretty easy. Go. That whole toe link arm is not going to be used anymore. It gets removed from the design. Oops. I don't want this thing to land on my foot. Go. Come on. I believe that's it, dude. I just gotta get it under and pull the Z-brake lines. So. Come on. We gotta get this little toe link out of here. There we go. Okay. Here, Nelson. Ooh, little piece fell out too. All right, so all this is unneeded. And like I said, we're not gonna reuse this in the future, but just for now, it's gonna stay. Now let's go grab those arms and start installing it. Okay, so we got all these, I don't know what these are called, but the thing is, we have certain ones that fit right here. There we go. I think the fatty ones. Okay, now where did that bolt go? I think this one was it. Woo! Gotta kind of persuade this a little bit. There's all this body crap all over the place. No. Let's try that again. Go. I think that's how it goes. Okay. Pretty basic stuff. I mean, not too difficult. You can tighten that, then everything fits nice. Yeah. So this goes right here. I think we're good. Okay. Yeah, these didn't come with any instructions, so you just got to kind of wing it. Come on. Go. How's the one happened to the other bolt? This one? You think so? No, that one's too short, dude.
Oh, I don't know.
Go. Not too bad. It's got a lot of movement. The back one's adjustable. If you need it to be in or out, you can just undo that, drop it down, and then twist the time joint, I guess they're called. Okay. There we go. Put these bad boys in there. Come Go. Alright, Nelson, so yeah, just help me out real quick. Okay, here, take these two. And you see these two holes right here? Okay. Well, here, just hold on to this for me. Or here, you know what, throw those in. Super easy. That's where the old bearing used to go.
2.
Okay. Then we got the 17. Let me just kind of throw this in there real quick. Okay. Here. Hold this up for me.
I got you.
Okay. So, 2 little bolts right here. Okay. And then go to. Yeah, it doesn't really like this angle with this this strap.
Shock, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm probably gonna have to take it out completely. So. Not meant for stock ride height, I guess. Go. Yeah, it will not go. Okay. So to fully install this, we're gonna have to wait for the coilovers. But for now, let's just get another one of these. See where the other one went, dude?
The other one, which one?
That was for the camber. Well, I'm just gonna use this one for now. Okay, that can just sit there. Basically, that's how that goes. Yeah, this is not gonna work, but we're gonna leave everything loose for now, and then I can adjust it. Instead of having that toe arm that goes right there, you adjust the toe right here. Just move it back and forth, and you'll get all your suspension angles. So let's throw the brakes on and see how that looks. Okay, well, it's another day. Unfortunately, FCS, they forgot to include the bolt kit for the calipers, which are these spacers and bolts. You know, they're really cool about it. I called them up. They said, no problem, we're going to ship it out to you. Easy. So, I'm not sure exactly how the spacing. We're just going to have to kind of wing it here. But what I think we might have to do is... Alright, we gotta bolt on this rotor. Yeah, normally either the caliper, usually the caliper is threaded and then you run the bolt through, but the Wilwood, they don't thread that stuff. So, caliper fits just on the rotor right here. Okay. So what I'm probably going to do, we'll run this bad boy through here, put the spacer on, and then we'll put this rotor on, and then just run these bad boys through here. There we go. Can you see that good, Nelson?
Got it pretty good.
So, let's run the washers on here. Okay. Throw a couple lug nuts. Just hold this real quick so you guys can kind of see how everything fits. And then I'm just gonna tighten this down. Yeah, some old crappy lug nuts. Go. You know what? Let me grab my. I need an open-end wrench. Let me go grab my ratchet real quick. Okay, let me get this bad boy on here. Okay. Okay. So the spacing looks pretty good. You just want to make sure, look right here, Nelson. You want to make sure that the rotor is pretty centered. It's centered enough, the pistons are going to come out. See, how does that look? Not too bad?
No.
Yeah, that actually looks perfectly centered. Okay. And then it came with some brake lines. So we got a couple right here. Should bolt to there. This actually looks pretty nice. What do you think?
Oh, I really like it.
Yeah, these 2-piston calipers are pretty nice.
I just think this whole kit integrating together looks really nice.
Yeah, the last kit that we were running was kind of a pain in the ass. Because what do we have to do? Grind the crap out of everything to get it to fit?
Clearance.
Oh yeah.
Clearance.
And then this one, it uses on the back of here. Here, if you go on the back, it uses an NPT, which is a pipe thread. Oops. You actually have a much better view than I do.
Mm-hmm.
How's that look? Is it clean or no?
Move your gorilla paw.
Are we good? Yeah. Or is there paper in there?
No, we're clean.
Okay. So I'm gonna take this off and put some thread tape, but basically it just threads into there. And then we have our brake line that threads into the back. And then we just gotta run this bad boy along here, and then up to the brake line. So it's basically how it goes in. I still have to add a lot of extra parts here. Like we still need to put the coilovers. We're waiting on those to come in. And I also need to do the other side. And then after that, we can bolt up the rear diff. So looks pretty nice. I like it. I think it will be good, dude. So, okay, well, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.